Hi, this is Amy with Line Dance Salt Lake, Utah. Are you ready to get your line dance on? Hey there, today on Step To It, I'm going to show you how to do a hip roll. I'm going to start with a left hip roll, weight's on my right. So I'm going to take my left hip out to the side and I'm going to swing it all the way around to the right. Going to go back with the right, all the way around to the left. Making a roll, making a circle. We may also do a full circle with it, so all the way around to the front and then back around the other way. Now this may come from a couple of different ways. You may do it with a step out, and then a hip roll. Or you may even do it from a hip bump, and then bring it all the way around. So there's many ways that you can get that hip roll going. Any way you do it, let's just keep our booties going. Hey, thanks for watching. You could be a line dance slut too. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the dance floor.